Hi everyone, today I am showing you the Winbot X from Ecovacs. Now I will admit I was a little bit terrified of using the Winbot X when I first opened the box, but it comes with a quick start guide which is very easy to use. It also comes with an in-depth manual as well, which I also suggest taking a good look at. When you first get your Winbot X out of the box, you will need to charge it for 2.5 hours. You'll know that it's charging because there's a little blue flashing light. Before you know it, it'll be charged. This is a safety tether system which sucks to your window, so this ensures that your Winbot X won't fall off the window. You will need to attach the safety tether system to the Winbot X robot itself, and it's very easy. You just click it in and make sure it's attached. The cleaning pads on the system are very easy to remove and to clean as you need to because they do get quite dirty with use. There is the on-off switch just in the middle of the system. There's also the suction rollers, and that's the fan which holds the system to the window. It's actually a very powerful fan. So these pads, there are a pack of 5 that come with the box, and also the cleaning fluid, which they recommend that you use with every use. Just squirt the cleaning fluid on the bottom of the pad, but make sure you don't get any of the cleaning fluid in the middle of the system. If you do though, just make sure you wipe it off with the cloth. We are very nearly ready to use the system, which is so exciting. The pack also comes with microfiber cloths, which you will need to spray the cleaning fluid onto to clean the bottom of the safety tether system to make sure there's no little dust particles or anything like that that can interfere with the suction on the safety tether system. We're now ready to attach the safety tether system to the window, so make sure you give the window a good rub down to get rid of any dust particles that might interfere with the suction. Then turn on the safety tether system, look for the green light. Pop it onto your window, push a few times just to make sure everything's attached nicely to the window. Grab the Winbot X system and turn on. You'll see 2 lights pop up. One will be flashing. That means the fan's going. Pop it on the window, and it should be quite hard to pull off the window now. Winbot X is also so smart, it comes with a remote. So just pop the play button and it will get going. One of the great things about the Winbot X is that it is cord free, so it doesn't have the power supply that might be holding it back, so that means less obstruction. Such a clever little machine. It actually identifies the size of your window and shape and then creates an intelligent, systematic cleaning path for greater cleaning efficiency. It's a very smart machine. These 2 sections of the video also give you a really good idea as to cleaning power. If you look before the Winbot and then after, you'll see that's made a really big difference to the spots that were on the window. There's a 4-stage cleaning system with the Winbot X. It squeegees and wipes in every direction, so it really is a very full and deep clean. There is a deep cleaning mode as well, which is a very clever system where it goes horizontally and vertically. So it pretty much is going to get every single spot on your window twice. As you can see, the button's actually flashing red. So all you do, that just means it might have gone into the wrong spot. So you just pop your thumb on the button, hold it down, and then it will remove itself from the window. It is super easy to take the safety tether system off the window. You just pop the little hook on the side and it comes off very easily. This is what I was talking about with the grime that can come off the windows. Now keep in mind our windows are very grubby at the moment because we are going through a construction, so there is a lot of dirt. But as you can see, it does a really good job of picking up all the yucky spots on the window. We have very large window spaces, and as you can see, the Winbot X makes a huge difference in reaching those hard to get spots. My daughters are absolutely obsessed with watching the Winbot X charge about the windows as well. I will show you a little clip that I took from Instagram.
How does he not fall off?
So final thoughts on the Winbot X. I absolutely love it. I think it's a genius product. I can't believe we're in the day and age where we have robots that clean your windows, but here we are. So this is a really great product and it will save you a lot of time if you have a lot of glass windows in your house. Also, if there's hard to reach places, so we have a window above our stairwell, which is really hard to get to. I wouldn't be able to get to the spots that the Winbot does. So that's something else to keep in mind if you are looking at this product as well. The Winbot X retails for $699 in Australia, and there's a few different places you can look at it in person. So JB Hi-Fi, Bunnings, Godfrey's, they're just a few of the places. But just go onto the Ecovacs website, I'll list it down here and in the caption below, to click on their link, and then you can take a look at where it might suit you best. So I've really enjoyed looking at the Winbot X. It's something that I've just found out of this world, and I hope you've enjoyed this review. And thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just pop them down below. Bye.